Today, we're tackling a common issue that many of us face, an oily face. It's like having a slippery slide on your skin. But don't worry, we've got some simple tips to help you keep that slide nice and dry. Let's get started. Understanding oily skin. First, let's understand why our skin gets oily. Imagine cooking with a frying pan. If you add too much oil, everything gets greasy. Our skin produces oil to keep it moisturized, but sometimes it can overdo it, just like that frying pan. Knowing this helps us find ways to balance it out. Cleanse regularly. Just like you wouldn't leave a greasy frying pan unwashed, it's important to cleanse your face regularly. Think of cleansing as giving your skin a refreshing shower. Aim to wash your face twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. This helps remove excess oil and keeps your skin feeling fresh. Use the right products. Choosing the right products is like picking the right tools for a job. If you're trying to fix something, you wouldn't use a hammer when you need a screwdriver. For oily skin, look for oil-free or non-comedogenic products. These are specially designed to help control oil without clogging your pores. Moisturize wisely. Host. Now you might think, if my skin is oily, do I really need moisturizer? Think of your skin like a plant. Even if it's getting too much water, it still needs the right nutrients. Use a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated without adding extra grease. Your skin will thank you. Blotting papers. When you notice oil shining through, it's like seeing a puddle on the sidewalk. You wouldn't just ignore it, right? Instead, you'd want to soak it up. Blotting papers are your best friends for this. They quickly absorb excess oil without disturbing your makeup. Just dab, don't rub, and you'll be good to go. Watch your diet. What you eat can also affect your skin. Think of your body as a car. If you put in low-quality fuel, it won't run smoothly. Eating a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and water can help keep your skin clear. Try to limit greasy and sugary foods, just like you'd avoid putting bad fuel in your car. So there you have it. Just like keeping a frying pan clean and choosing the right tools, you can manage oily skin with a few simple steps. Cleanse regularly, use the right products, moisturize wisely, keep blotting papers handy, and watch your diet. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.